Travel toiletry organizers, Dopp kits, are increasingly essential for organized packing, liquid containment, and quick access in varying travel environments. A well-designed Dopp kit can reduce bathroom chaos, protect contents from leaks, and fit neatly in a carry-on or backpack. In this review, I test and compare 5 popular options across a price range of $19.99 to $32 to evaluate capacity, build quality, organization, and practical use cases. Product number 1. BagSmart Toiletry Bag for Men. This BagSmart medium-size men's toiletry bag with dimensions 10.6 inches long by 3.9 inches wide by 6.7 inches high, or in a larger version at 12.2 inches long by 5.5 inches wide by 7.5 inches high, emphasizes water resistance and multi-compartment organization. Notable design features include a front waterproof pocket for wet items, a back pocket with elastic and zippered sections, and a double zipper with a hidden snap closure to reduce snagging. The bag is tailored to function as a shaving kit and cosmetics bag in a single, versatile solution, with a durable, water-resistant exterior and multiple internal pockets to keep items upright and separated. In daily use, the front waterproof pocket excels at isolating damp razors or aftershave spills, while the elastic interior bands help keep bottles upright during transit. With a balanced weight around 9.9 ounces and mid-size footprint, it fits comfortably in most carry-ons and gym bags. The material choice emphasizes practicality and wipe-clean maintenance, though it may show wear over time with heavy use. The inclusion of dual sizes offers flexibility for different travel needs, making it a strong value proposition at $19.99. Product number 2. BagSmart's Canvas variant, in a gray tone with the same dimensional footprint as the black version, offering sturdy aesthetics and a slightly different texture. It features 2-sided zip pockets, a waterproof back pocket, and a front full open pocket with elastic mesh compartments to neatly sort toothbrushes, razors, and small items. The back includes inner elastic bands and a leather handle for portability. Performance-wise, the dual pocket arrangement supports a clear separation of items, which is particularly useful for longer trips or shared bathrooms where quick access to personal care items matters. The rugged canvas plus waterproof zippers provide reliable durability, and the leather handle adds a tactile premium touch without sacrificing practicality. At 10.2 by 5.9 by 6.3 inches and about 10.6 ounces, it sits in the same general capacity tier as the black variant, delivering solid value for travelers seeking a robust multi-pocket organizer. Product number 3. Osprey Daylight Toiletry Kit. The Osprey Daylight Toiletry Kit is part of a modular packing system designed to integrate with other Osprey organizers. It features a single large main compartment with a compact footprint, dimensions around 4.9 by 10.2 by 5.1 inches, a lightweight build, approximately 3.84 ounces, and a coordinated ecosystem for add-on organization accessories. Built for travelers who value modularity and brand ecosystem, this kit emphasizes packing efficiency and interoperability. In practice, the Daylight Kit shines when used as part of a broader packing setup. You can attach it to other Daylight components or slide it into a larger pack. The lightweight polyester construction minimizes bulk, and the black color offers a clean, minimal aesthetic. For shorter trips or minimalist travelers, it may feel lean on internal dividers, but its strength lies in compatibility and expandability with other Osprey accessories. Product number 4. Herschel's Supply Code Chapter Travel Kit. Herschel's Chapter Travel Kit is the premium option at $32, reflecting Herschel's signature design language and build quality. While details in the provided data are sparse, Herschel products typically emphasize durable materials, classic styling, and thoughtful interior organization. The Daylight and BagSmart options prioritize function and value, while Herschel leans into a more premium, design-forward presentation with reliable construction. Given Herschel's typical materials and hardware standards, expect reinforced stitching, quality zippers, and a more refined finish. The overall size and weight are expected to align with the other mid-sized kits, but the premium branding may translate into longer-lasting performance and a more premium tactile experience. This makes it an appealing choice for users who value aesthetics as much as function and are willing to pay a premium for brand equity.
Product number 5. Pavilia Toiletry Bag for Men. Pavilia offers a PU leather, water-resistant toiletry bag with a large main compartment and side pockets. The design emphasizes a rugged, classic leather aesthetic with elastic bands and mesh pockets to secure grooming items. The bag measures 10.5 by 6 by 5.5 inches and weighs 8.4 ounces, delivering a relatively roomy interior and a compact, durable shell. The water-resistant lining and double zipper design enhance protection and accessibility. In use, the double zipper facilitates quick access to the main compartment, while the side pockets and elastic bands help maintain order for shaving kits, toothbrushes, and small bottles. The PU leather exterior offers a premium feel at a price point of $20.99, positioning it as a value-oriented yet capable option for travelers who want a more traditional, leather-tinged look without compromising practicality.